Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export still frame from the video you are editing. Right, so select video and you can see for the three lines in the top right from the preview panel. You just click on it and select the export still frame. So you can select the frame you want to export. For example, and select this. Alright, this frame. Alright, so click on three lines, select export still frame. You can change the name of the file and change the resolution and format. So select the PNG and just click export. So you can getting the image or a PNG from the video. Alright, so just click export. Alright, here's as an image, right? Not video, right? It's like screen capture, I think. Alright, that's how you can export still frame from video in Capcut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.